What types of prototypes exist and which one is right for your product? In product development, a prototype is not a single fixed form. Depending on the design stage and the testing goals, prototypes generally fall into 4 categories: concept prototypes, functional prototypes, visual prototypes, and engineering prototypes. A concept prototype is used to demonstrate the basic design idea and the layouts. It's typically made using 3D printing or form modeling and can often be completed within 1 to 2 days. Functional prototype. A functional prototype focuses on operability and performance testing. For example, CNC machined metal components or assembly fit test models. These prototypes can withstand higher stress, heat, and mechanical loads. Visual prototype. A visual prototype emphasizes appearance. It's commonly used to showcase the product's shape, color, and overall feel. Materials often include SLA resin or paint finish plastics. Engineering prototype. An engineering prototype is the closest stage to mass production. It's conducted using CNC machining, injection molding, or sheet metal fabrication with dimensional accuracy controlled to around plus or minus 0.05 mm. These prototypes support full assembly and functional verification. Choosing the right type of prototype, whether for early exploration or pre-production validation, significantly improves development efficiency and reduces project risk. At TiRapid, we support your entire journey from rapid prototyping to small batch production, helping turn your ideas into reality faster and more reliably.